What's up, guys? Today we'd like to introduce you to a special guest who would answer all your questions about how to rent a car in Costa Rica. And always remember, we will never recommend you to a business that we haven't tried out ourselves. And let me tell you guys, this has been by far the best experience we've ever had renting a car in another country. We had a blast in Costa Rica for 11 days with the car and never once had a problem with it. And if you're looking to rent a car in Costa Rica, stay tuned because we're going to be answering your questions about where to rent a car, what insurance to get, and more.
All right, vámonos. That's right, guys. Welcome to the beautiful country of Costa Rica. And today we're going to meet the owner of Costa Rica USA Rental Cars. And he's going to tell us all about how to rent a car and why rent a car when you come to this country.
My name is Jairo Cárdenas, and I am the owner of Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA, a car rental agency in Costa Rica that our friends from Dos Bros rented a car not long ago here in Costa Rica. Why should you rent a car in Costa Rica? The answer is very simple. By renting a car in Costa Rica, you move at your own pace. You stop wherever you want to stop. Transfers in Costa Rica are very expensive. Public transportation is very bad, and sometimes Ubers and taxis take advantage of you. So my recommendation and my advice is always rent a car. Although, do your homework, do your due diligence, and know who you're working with. Make sure that you read about reviews and experience from previous customers so you don't end up getting ripped off by renting a car with the wrong car rental company or agency.
Very good to know. And tell us, Jairo, should we book in advance or just wait to the last minute to see if we get a better deal?
Should you rent a car in advance or should you rent a car days before your trip? My advice is always book your car rental in advance. Why? Because that way you will save money by doing so. The prices are gonna be cheaper and the prices always go up before the times that you are coming here to Costa Rica. If you book a car right now for a trip that is gonna be 3 months prior to getting here, it's gonna be cheaper than renting the car 3 days before you arrive.
Sometimes people wait until they actually arrive at Costa Rica to rent a car. You gotta be careful with that because people are gonna take advantage of you and you're gonna get ripped off. So remember to always book your car rental in advance. With Car Rental Costa Rica and USA, your prices are always gonna be final and the price we give you is the price you're going to pay.
And that was very true, guys. When we picked up the car, what the PDF said it was going to cost is exactly what we got charged. Not a penny more and no hidden fees. And Jairo, another thing that people worry about when renting a car in Costa Rica, besides not getting hit with extra fees or extra charges, is what kind of car they're going to get.
The fleet from Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA gets changed every year. What does that mean? That every year you're going to be driving cars that are almost brand new. We're recording this video in April 2024. And the fleet that we have right now are cars that are 2023 and 2024. So that means that every year we renew our cars. For your safety, that's why we do it, and for your comfort as well.
The car we had was definitely pretty good. It never gave us any problems during our trip into Costa Rica. And tell us, Jairo, if people want to contact you guys to rent a car, how do they do it?
How do you contact Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA? It's actually real simple. You can send us an email, you can send us a DM on Facebook, or you can send us a WhatsApp text. Also, you can give us a call, but we'll always ask you to keep the conversation in some way that we can text or write so we can have a backup of the conversation. It's really, really simple, the process of renting a car with Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA. Let me explain you how that works. So when you have contacted us, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to send you the picture of fleet of cars we have available. You're gonna look at it and you're gonna see what car you wanna quote. And then you're gonna send us the dates that you would like to quote. After that, we'll send you a final quote with basic insurance and full cover. We'll make you decide whatever you wanna choose, basic insurance or full cover. And after that, we'll send you a quick form that you have to fill out. And once you fill out that form, we'll send you the PDF confirmation. And with that PDF in your hands, you are booked and confirmed. And the car will be ready for you when you arrive in Costa Rica.
And tell us something, Jairo. When people just want to worry about their vacation and don't have to worry about anything, how does insurance works?
I know you're wondering, what does basic insurance and full cover means? It's actually real simple. Basic insurance has $1,000 deductible. Full coverage has $0 deductible. Oh, but you might say, hey, my credit card covers part of the insurance. Yes and no. And let me explain that real quick. That's called CDW, Collision Damage Waivers. And how it works in Costa Rica, it's that it will save you $5 per day on whatever quote that I gave you. And that means that you still have the $1,000 deductible in case something happens with your vehicle. And when you go back home, you dispute that amount with your credit card bank and they should give you your money back. That's how collision damage works, basic insurance and full cover. If you have more questions regarding this, remember to contact us at Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA, and we'll clarify any of these doubts.
And how about if I want to pick up the car in one destination, but I want to travel to another one and drop the car there? Can that be done?
We have more than 45 offices all over Costa Rica ready to help you. What does that mean? That you can pick up in one location and drop off in another location. You can pick up at the airport as you land in Juan Santa Maria, and you can leave out of the Liberia airport and drop it off over there. If you have an incident, dead battery, car crash, God forbid, flat tire, or whatever other situation, we can help you out of these 45 offices that we have all over Costa Rica.
That's actually pretty awesome, and a question that a lot of people ask when they travel to Costa Rica and rent a car. And let's talk about payment now, Jairo. How do we pay for this car when we rent the car from Costa Rica, USA car rentals?
Payment option. How do I pay for my car rental? It's actually real simple. With Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA, there are no upfront payments. For your safety and ours, you pay when you arrive. When you arrive, there's a $500 deposit in a credit card only. No debit cards, credit card only for the deposit. Although your rent can be paid cash or debit. But I wanna say this again. Deposit, credit card only. And for your safety, you pay when you arrive. Not a single dime before your trip.
That's amazing, guys. And how would you guys deal with cancellations?
Cancellations. If you need to cancel your car rental, are there any fees, any penalties? No, because you didn't make any payment. So all we ask from you is that you give us a heads up if you're not going to use the car, so we can have that car ready for someone that will get it. So that's one of the other benefits of working with Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA, is that if you need to cancel your reservation, all you have to do is let us know that you're going to cancel, and we'll make the cancellation without any payments or anything like that.
Jairo, let me tell you, for us, Those Bros family, that was one of the reasons that we decided to go with you guys, because having no fees for cancellation is great. But what happens if my flight gets delayed?
If your flight is delayed or your flight is gonna get changed to the next day or so, the car will always be ready for you. All you gotta do is send us a text and let us know about these changes so we can modify the reservation and have it according to your new needs. So always let us know if your plan is changed, so we can help you out and have the car ready for when you arrive here in Costa Rica.
Isn't this great, guys? I mean, we have traveled to several countries and we have never had a car company tell us something like this. Because normally car companies don't care if your plan changes. But hey, Jairo, how about if there's an accident?
What if something happens while you have the car in Costa Rica? Like an accident, dead battery, flat tire, anything. The first thing you do is you call us. You contact us at Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA. You let us know what the situation is and we will help you out. We will tell you what to do and how to proceed according to whatever issue you are having. I pray to God that nothing like this has to happen, but if it does, you contact us right away. We are here to help you. We are here to hold your hand from the moment you make a quote until you go back home. We want you to have the best car rental experience possible. So make sure that if something happens, the first thing you do is that you contact us. As of today, Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA is the #1 car rental agency in Costa Rica. Contact us. Go to our Facebook page. Read the reviews that our customers leave us daily, recommending our services. Put on YouTube how to rent a car in Costa Rica, and you will see about 5 videos of me speaking about renting cars in Costa Rica. Enter those videos and read the reviews that people leave recommending our car rental agency in Costa Rica. Why? Because we are here to help. We're not here to take your money. We're not here to scam you. We're not here to take advantage of you. We are here to help you have a great car rental experience and to learn what pura vida really means in Costa Rica. Again, if you have questions, doubts, or whatever, contact us and we will help you out. Those bros people, thank you for that support. I am glad that you enjoy your trip in Costa Rica so much that you wanted to make this video so you can help other people out with Car Rentals Costa Rica and USA as their car rental agency in Costa Rica. Pura vida.
Thanks, Jairo. That was awesome. I'm sure that will clarify a lot of the questions that people have when they want to rent a car in Costa Rica. And to our subscribers, always remember that we will never recommend something that we haven't tried before. We tried Costa Rica USA car rentals and we had the best experience in Costa Rica, and we could say in all of the trips that we have had. And if you are wondering how to get to the rental cars, don't worry about it. They got taken care of that too. If you come in the airport, just take the shuttle and it will take you straight to the car rental. And same when you drop off the car, they will take you back to the airport, no problem, no charge. And if you decide to get a car from Costa Rica USA car rentals, don't forget to tell Jairo that you saw them on Those Bros channel. And before you guys leave, don't forget to check out these other 2 videos on great things to do here in Costa Rica, pura vida. And especially check out the one where we show you how to use your own phone in Costa Rica with an electronic SIM from Hola Fly. And check out the discount code that we have there for you too.
And don't forget to like, subscribe to not miss any more future adventures. It's free and it would tremendously help our channel grow. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos bros, we out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.